Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we came in and we tore apart the engine. Now we have two pistons that are still stuck, but we're not going to worry about that today. Today we move on to something different. We have a hood, and we have a hood that has some welding issues or rust issues that we're going to work on taking care of. So what I'm going to do is we are first and foremost going to start sanding down that hood, get it nice and smooth, and see what kind of rust we need to repair. So we're going to move that over here, and we're going to get to work. All right, so here we are on the top of the hood. There is not a lot of rust here, just some dent, or just one dent right here where it dips pretty well. But we're going to work on fixing that. But first and foremost, we are going to grab a sander and just start sanding back this to get it clean. So let's go ahead, whip out my orbital sander and start sanding away this ugly old paint. All right, so here we have the hood in a good spot. Let's bring it a little closer to moi so you can see it. So we have knocked out a lot of that dent. It's still a little bit of a left. It is a lot under here. So that is going to be a little bit of pain. There is a hole over there we're going to have to weld. That whole front support is probably going to get welded. And we have this crack right here that we are going to take care and just weld out right now. There's a big crack right here. I'm going to try, like I have it right now, I'm going to tack it to the underhood, right? Like the regular part. Don't worry about all this crap here. But tack it in here so that I can release it and then get this side down and then kind of lift this up and just tack this in the spot so the hood isn't cracked wide open again. Now, I do want to keep tacking it down because it was glued, and I'm not really a big fan of glue on hoods in here when I could just tack them nice and soft. And then we're going to start working at some point up there. Now that part is going to be a pain. Not a lot of reproduction parts. Got to make my own metal. So let's go ahead, tack some tacks in, get this thing welded up, and move on to the next part of this hood. All right, so we did get a little bit of sanding and a little bit of welding and grinding for you, Uncle Al, because I know you missed it. It's only been a couple years since we did it, and yeah, it's back. So we did a little bit on the hood. Next week, I'm going to try and get this whole front panel figured out and started to patch. That's going to be a lot of work. There is a lot of little rust pieces on this. This dent right here on the back side is not coming out as well as I thought. I'm probably going to have to cut this out if I want to do it probably the right way, unless I use a dent puller, which I have one. I just got to find it. Yeah, right now this garage is a mess. Yeah. But hey, we've got a lot of the back panel done. Obviously, got to flip it over and continue sanding away all that paint. I just don't have a lot of time this week. This week was quite quick. On the video wise, I was out of town, so this is kind of like a scramble video a little bit. So we'll tell you, I am trying to get stuff out for you guys. That's why I haven't posted a lot of shorts either this week. Although you guys killed it on that one. Let's keep killing it on all the videos. Hit those like buttons on everything you see from me. It'll really, really help us out, really help us get bigger. Maybe we get even a cooler next project in like 4 years, whenever this one's done. But hey, we'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the Datsun. So we'll see you then. Welding and grinding.